Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing this error REH04 on your Google account, then this video is for you. So if you're facing this error, then here is a community guideline that you can follow. That you can do is try to make the purchase again with a different payment method. So you can just open the Google Play Store app on your phone or tablets, and you can go back to the item you want to buy, or tap the price here. Then next to the current payment method, tap the down arrow and then payment methods. Choose a different payment method or add a new one. Then you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Try forcing the Play Store app to stop and clearing the cache or data for the Play Store. Open your device settings, then you can find the apps or application manager. Then locate and tap the Google Play Store, where you can find the force stop button. Simply click on it and simply click on tap on this clear cache or data. Then it will give you a huge refresh to the application file or the additional file. Now check that your card address match the address in Google Payments. So if your credit card is registered to a different address, that can cause the payment to be declined. Check the zip code that matches your current address. So you can sign into the payments.google.com with your Google account and find the payment method you are trying to use for the purchase. Then you can simply click edit. Or the first step, that you can check that the address listed matched with the billing address of your card. Now you can check it and you can change it. So if you use the guest checkout when the error occurred, you have to sign into the existing Google account and place the order again, or you can create a new Google account if you don't already have one. So you can also go to the GPay settings. If you are trying to pay with GPay, then you can change your billing address from there. If they don't match, update your address in Google Play or try the transaction again. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.